Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? Hope you're good. I'm here with a purchase I purchased from Helenloves to Craft. And she sent me a little note. Thank you, Tina. I'm sending extra paper just for you because I think it's your style. Love, Helen. And this is what I bought. I bought this die. And it's called the medium pinwheel flower. So you have the pinwheel. Looks like that. And then you have the little flower die. So I decided to make one before I did this video to show you. Ain't this cute? That's what it looks like. And what I did is I put little brads. But I thought, oh, it's cute. I think it'd be cute. I think it's cute. So I thought I'd show you what it looks like when it's cut out. That was cute. I like the little plastic envelope it came in, so you don't lose pieces. So let's check out this paper. Oh yeah. Like that. Oh yeah, I can see where she says this is my style, definitely. This is cool paper line. Totally cool. I like it. Helen does have a birthday challenge going on. It is, all she's asking for is a banner. So this is my banner for her, which I'm actually going to get up in the mail this week. I'm going to work on a birthday card for her tonight and get that all out in the mail. Oh, so cool. This is cool paper. It reminds me of graffiti. But thanks, Helen. Love it. So I will have Helen's channel linked in the description box, guys. So please go give her a shout out, and I will actually link her birthday challenge for you. She's got a nice prize, and she's a wonderful sweetheart of a lady. So go check out her channel. She does have occasional sales. She had her first one not long ago. I also bought some Van Gogh playing cards from her too. I showed them last week though. But I want to thank Helen for such an awesome good deal on the die. Thought it was cute. First I didn't know what I was like, I took the chance on it because I thought it was unique. And once I got it and I sat and made it, I thought, oh my god, that's cute. So as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. And remember, go check out Helen's channel. Bye!